I had this guy named Alex at this company that I used to have to work for, and he was the worst person with demos. He was the worst person with deals. He would run his mouth. He'd blow my deals up. He'd take over on the follow-up. It was the worst. I had to offer him Foo Fighter tickets if he shut his mouth. And the way we worked it out was I was like, I'm going to hold this pen, and I'm going to hand you the pen, and you're going to demo the software. And if I reach for the pen, you're going to give me the pen, and your mouth's going to stop moving. Hate to be a jerk, but I was like, Alex, I'll buy you Foo Fighters tickets at the frickin' Superdome or Mercedes Dome, whatever it was in Atlanta, front row. I only had to buy one because the guy could never get a date. But you've got to have a conversation with whoever took that over and be like, guys, 2 people, did you see the accidents that have happened? I don't want to make light of tragedy, but we're air traffic control here. One of us has to be like, this craft is here, and we're landing. Because if you and I both try and land this deal, boom, it's going to blow up.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're going to cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's going to cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. Things are going to be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.